everyone, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to another video from the NIFT series. My DMs have been flooded with messages and requests from a lot of you preparing for NIFT to make a video on NIFT 2021 preparation for the longest time. But I was not being able to do so because I had my NIFT juries going on. But now that it's over, I thought the first thing that I'll do is come up here and make a video on this topic. So in today's video, I am going to share with all of you certain tips and tricks that you can follow in case if you are going to sit for the NIFT 2021 entrance examination. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and foremost, even though the CAT and the GAT in the entrance examination are equally important according to me, and I've told this time and again that you should put equal attention to all of these areas, but now that you have only 1 month left, I would suggest all of you to give a little more attention to CAT because CAT has 50% weightage, which is a little more weightage compared to the GAT portion. So I would suggest all of you to practice more sketching and give a little more efforts in terms of preparing for the CAT section. But again, let me remind all of you that please do not leave out any section. You have to score really well in the CAT part of the examination. But do not leave out GAT as well. I have to keep on reminding all of you that. Moving on to my next tip for the NIFT 2021 examination. Now that we have only like a month or so left for the examination, it's high time that you start solving sample question papers for both GAT and CAT. Solving sample question papers helps you get a hang of how the question pattern might be like. It also helps you develop a habit with regards to solving the questions. And there are a lot of sample papers and previous year question papers available online, so you can definitely look it up. Something that I used to do was that I used to try and solve at least one sample paper for the CAT section and one sample paper for the GAT section every day. I used to be really hard on myself now, I feel. But since it's just 1 month to go, I think just give it a go and try to solve as many sample papers as you can. Moving on, in this regard, one tip that would be really helpful and that all of you should follow is to time yourself while you're solving the sample papers. One problem that most students face while they sit for the NIFT entrance examination is not being able to complete the examination in the specified time. They often run out of time. So one of the best ways to ensure that nothing of that sort happens is to time yourself while you're solving the question papers at home. I'm not really sure about what is the time limit that you get for CAT and GAT nowadays, but I'm guessing that you get 3 hours for CAT and 2.5 hours for GAT. I'm not really sure. If you guys know what is the time limit, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to stay updated. But anyways, make sure to time yourself while you're solving the sample question papers. And to be on a safer side, something that I used to do was that I used to give myself half an hour less than the assorted time while I was practicing at home, so that I develop like a faster habit of solving question papers and I have like a good amount of buffer time left. So that really helped me a lot. It is really helpful. Always make sure to time yourself while you're solving the sample question papers at home. Moving on to the next tip. Now that there's such little time left for the entrance examination, you gotta remember that it's now or never. So stop procrastinating and give it your 100%. Start practicing as much as you can. Give it your 200%. This is that time when you have to like buck up and just kill it with your preparation. Last but not the least, and with regards to the previous tip, please try to maintain a calm peace of mind. Please relax, also meditate, stay hydrated, because creativity comes when you're really peaceful. And if you have given so much time and efforts to preparing for the examination, you're bound to ace it. So please make sure to remember that. Do not stress yourself or do not be too hard on yourself. So that's all about my tips for the NIFT 2021 examination. There are no special magical tricks to ace the examination. These are really basic tips that all of you might have known already in your subconscious mind. But trust me, these are the 5 tips that I too followed when I sat for the examination, and look where it got me. So please remember that if I can do it, you can do it too. And in case if this video helped, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username will be somewhere out here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.